Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. St. Peter's is a small rural community on the eastern side of Prince Edward Island, located in Kings County along the shores of St. Peter's Bay. The community is surrounded by forests, farmland, rivers, and coastal wetlands, creating a landscape that has attracted people for centuries. Today, it is known for its quiet setting, outdoor recreation, and strong connection to both the land and the water. The population of St. Peter's is estimated to be only a few hundred people, although the surrounding area includes several neighboring rural communities. Like many parts of eastern Prince Edward Island, the population increases during the summer as seasonal residents and visitors arrive. The area has a long history that predates European settlement. The Mi'kmaq people lived and traveled throughout this region for thousands of years, using the rivers, forests, and coastline for transportation, fishing, hunting, and gathering. European settlement expanded during the late 18th and early 19th centuries, with farming and fishing becoming the foundation of the local economy. St. Peter's Bay became an important center for fishing, coastal trade, and shipbuilding during the 19th century. Small wooden sailing vessels were built along the bay and used to transport goods throughout Atlantic Canada. Fishing vessels also operated from the bay, supplying local markets and supporting families who depended on the sea for their livelihoods. Fishing continues to play an important role in the local economy. Lobster is the area's most valuable commercial catch, while fishers also harvest species such as herring, mackerel, tuna, oysters, mussels, and soft-shell clams when conditions allow. Aquaculture has become increasingly important, with shellfish farming providing employment throughout the region. Seafood harvesting, processing, transportation, and marine services all contribute to the local economy. Agriculture is another major employer in the surrounding countryside. Farmers grow potatoes, grain, soybeans, hay, and other crops while raising beef and dairy cattle. Prince Edward Island's rich red soil supports productive farmland, and many local farms have remained family-owned for generations. Agriculture continues to be one of the province's largest industries and an important source of employment in Kings County. Tourism has grown steadily over the past several decades. Visitors come to enjoy the area's beaches, walking trails, kayaking, boating, cycling, birdwatching, and golf courses. St. Peter's Bay is especially popular for paddling because of its sheltered waters and scenic shoreline. Small inns, cottages, restaurants, campgrounds, and tourism businesses provide seasonal employment and help support the local economy during the warmer months. One of the community's best-known landmarks is the St. Peter's Harbor Lighthouse, located near the entrance to the harbor. Lighthouses have long been essential along Prince Edward Island's coastline, helping ships safely navigate shallow waters, sandbars, and changing weather conditions. They remain lasting symbols of the island's maritime heritage. Housing in St. Peter's remains relatively affordable compared with larger Canadian cities, although prices have increased in recent years as more people seek rural and waterfront properties. The average home in the surrounding area generally sells for between $300,000 and $400,000 Canadian dollars, depending on the property's size, condition, land, and proximity to the water. Waterfront homes and cottages often sell for considerably more. Today, St. Peter's remains a peaceful coastal community where fishing, farming, aquaculture, and tourism continue to shape daily life. Its rich history, scenic landscapes, and productive waters make it a place that reflects the traditional character and enduring appeal of rural Prince Edward Island. Thanks for watching!